is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going over some of the upgrades that I did to this guy. This is a new, not new, it's an old M&P. It's not the 2.0, and I got it real cheap on a website. It's a law enforcement trade-in. I really like finding those deals because you get some pretty good pistols or firearms in general that are, it's a really good price. It's a steal most of the time. So we're going to go over the upgrades that I've done to this guy. Before we get into that, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and get down in the comments section below. And if you haven't yet, be sure to get subscribed to the channel. Also, head over to Instagram and give me a follow at the Josh Wiley channel, and head over to watchjoshwiley.com where you can find discount codes that you guys can use and links direct to websites of companies that were kind enough to work with the channel here. And you can also find some machining stuff that I offer and the pricing on all of that. So now that all that's out of the way, let's go ahead to the upgrades. First off, down here, if you've watched my videos for any amount of time, you'll probably know that I'm a big fan of stick-on grips. I really like them. This one is from Talon Grips. I have worked with another company, but I reached out to Talon Grips and they were kind enough to send this out for this build that I did. So this is a stick-on grip from Talon Grip. Also down here, we've got an upgraded trigger from Apex Tactical. I've worked with them a lot on the channel as well, and they sent this trigger out to install it. It is a little bit harder to do it on the M&P than like with a Glock that I found. And when you're on their website, if you're looking for something that they offer for the M&P, be sure that if you have the regular M&P like this and not the 2.0, whatever you're looking at, be sure that it's for the M&P. I talked to somebody over at Apex Tactical and they made me aware of that they do have stuff that is for the M&P and they do have stuff for the M&P 2.0. So if you're looking at anything on their website, if you have the regular M&P, be sure it's for the regular M&P, not the 2.0. Next is this magazine base plate that is from Ed Brown. It is made out of aluminum and black anodized. And something else that I got from Ed Brown is this extended threaded barrel from them. It's not coated or anything like a special coating. It's the regular nitride finish, I believe. And it's nothing real special. It just has 9mm engraved up here and then the Ed Brown logo on the side here. And it does have some fluting, and that's pretty much it. And it did come with their thread protector as well. You can't see the flutes now, but we are going to be doing sometime in the future. I'm getting ready to do some machining stuff to some of my slides, and at least one barrel. I have done slide work and barrel work that I've done videos on. You can check them out on the channel. But you can't see the fluting on here yet, but you will be able to. We are going to do something cool with the slide. But I wanted to go ahead and get this video out now because I'm not 100% sure on when that will actually be. I think I've done all of the upgrades I'm going to do to it other than doing work to the slide, and it's going to get Cerakoted and probably going to Cerakote the Ed Brown base plate to match the slide, which hopefully will turn out really cool. Oh, and if you are wondering, the barrel is 4.25 inches long. It's made out of 416 stainless steel, which is really good. And as usual, it has a half 28 thread up here. Next is the Streamlight TLR9. I just got this in from them. Really good light. The only thing that it sticks out real far, so you're only going to want to put this on a big full-size pistol, otherwise it's going to look weird. Just my opinion. I mean, you can put it on whatever you want to. And it made it a little bit better when I put this comp on here. We'll get to that in a second. And once I put the comp on, it did look a whole lot better. That was one of the main reasons I ended up doing this comp. You do get two different kinds of back switches that you can interchange. It does have 1,000 lumens. It uses two CR123A batteries. And the water rating on this guy is IPX7, which is submersible to 1 meter for up to 30 minutes. And then the last and final thing on this so far right now is this comp. I actually made this at the shop. I've made a bunch of different stuff for some of my firearms. You can check out the videos on that on the channel. I think there's a parts playlist of all the stuff that I've made. But I just made this just went off of a regular design that I had seen a couple of companies do, and I didn't do everything I wanted to it. I might take it off and do some more stuff to it and get it coated and put it back on here. I might do that whenever I get done doing the machine work on the slide and get that Cerakoted and done and everything. But I did do it at the shop, and the video on that isn't out yet as far as the time of filming this. If you're seeing this video up and it just released, it's still not up. It'll be a couple of videos after this, I think, before I get it done and get it out on the channel. But that is everything I've done to my new LE trade-in M&P that I got. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and get down in the comments section and get subscribed. Be sure to check out me on Instagram at the Josh Wiley channel, and be sure to check out watchjoshwiley.com for discount codes and machining stuff that I offer and pricing. That is all I have for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya.